Starting a YouTube channel as a real estate agent is a great way for you to showcase your expertise, reach a wider audience, and establish yourself as a trusted resource in your local market. So here's a few steps for you to get started on YouTube and start generating business now. The first thing is choosing a focus for your channel. Consider what you want to be known for in your local market and also what topics that you want to cover. You might choose to focus on local market trends, tips to help buyers and sellers, or showcasing properties that are listed with your company. And you could cover a combination of any of those three topics all the time on your channel. Now, the next thing that you'll need to do is actually set up your channel. And the great thing about it, it's absolutely free. So go set up a Gmail account and then you can start your YouTube channel. And the best way to find more information about how to set your channel up is to actually go to YouTube. And there's tons of information on YouTube right now to help you actually set your channel up. Now, the next thing that you want to do is actually determine your content strategy. Plan out the type of videos that you like to create and also come up with a content schedule. And if you can commit to at least one video a week, you'll start to see some traction in your YouTube channel. And you'll also want to mix up the type of content that you publish, from educational videos, property tours, just listed type videos. And also don't forget about the behind the scenes type of videos showing what you do on a daily basis as a real estate agent. And forgive me for not introducing myself sooner. My name is Ian Flanagan. I'm a 17-year real estate pro, and I run an expansion team that closes over 1,200 transactions every single year. And if you're an agent, team leader, or broker, and you're looking for more ways to level up and expand your business, be sure to check out that partnership link in the description. The next thing that you want to do once you actually get your YouTube channel up is you want to optimize it. You want to make sure that your channel banner is created, that all the about section is created with all of your personal contact information in there, as well as links to your website or your company's website. And make sure you have some great high-res photos of yourself and or your team members. Now, this is where the rubber hits the road. It's actually time to hit record. Now, you want to make sure that you have a great camera, and these days, iPhones or Galaxy phones can actually shoot really great high-res video. And be sure to add some type of microphone like a lapel mic or a boom mic so you can get really nice crisp audio. And I would say the audio is the most important aspect of you shooting videos. Now, when I got started, I used to do all my own editing on iMovie, and now I use a professional editor to do a video just like the one you're watching right now. Now, when you're ready to upload a video, you want to make sure that you have a keyword-rich title, tag, and description. And that's how you can get discovered online through Google and YouTube by using keyword-rich titles. Now, the last one here is actually promoting your channel. And you want to share those videos on all of your other social platforms. Maybe you have an email list, maybe you have a blog. The more that you promote your channel, the more traffic that you'll drive to the channel. You also want to consider doing cross promotions with local lenders or contractors or any other type of local business that you guys can collaborate with and share referrals with. Now, I hope you got some value out of this video. Consider subscribing, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.